Thank you for choosing Seipp Roofing. We take pride in our process and we want you to know what to expect every step of the way. When we show up to your home or business, the first thing we're going to do is protect the building we are working on. Seipp Roofing uses a catch-all protection system. It's an extremely durable net system that catches tear-off debris and materials while also protecting the sides of your home or business. Step 2. We're going to tear off the existing roof down to the sheathing. Tear-off materials and debris are loaded into a dump trailer. The tear-off process is very messy. It's a great idea to move vehicles, deck furniture, yard ornaments, and any other items that might be in harm's way before the project starts. The sheathing is the exterior structure or deck of the roof that all materials are secured to. Step 3. Our team will inspect the existing roof structure. An example of water damage sheathing is shown here. This is what we're looking for. Here's another example of a water-damaged and rotting rafter found during inspection. Step 4. We're going to replace or repair any damaged areas that we find during the inspection. Damaged rafters are sistered and additional support is added as needed. Step 5. We're going to install a drip edge to the eaves. The drip edge protects the edge of the roof deck and helps direct water runoff into the gutter. Step 6. We'll install an ice and water barrier plus a synthetic underlayment. This seals the roof and protects from wind-driven rain, moisture, snow, and ice intrusion. An ice and water barrier is installed to susceptible areas including eaves, valleys, vents, penetrations, low slopes, roof-to-wall interfaces, chimneys, and skylight bases. Synthetic goes over the remainder of the roof deck. Some roofs need additional ventilation components. This is an example of DCI Smart Vent used to create proper intake ventilation. The DCI Smart Vent finished product, when installed up the slope of a roof, is shown here. This allows fresh, cooler air to enter the attic space, regulating the temperature of the roof and attic with the temperature outside to prevent condensation. Step 7. We'll install a drip edge over underlayment on rakes. This protects the rake edge of the roof, shown here. Step 8. We'll install starter shingles to eaves and rakes. Starter shingles help keep a straight edge around the perimeter of the roof and gives the shingles at the edge something to bond to. Step 9. We'll install shingles to the field of your roof. Shingles are the protective barrier or outer shell that defend your home and add aesthetic value. Step 10. We'll install flashings. Flashings create a barrier and direct water away from obstacles in the field of the roof. Kick-out flashings are installed where any sidewall extends past a roofline to keep water runoff directed behind the siding. Step 11. We'll install cap shingles and ridge vents. Cap shingles finish off and protect ridges, hips, and ridge vents. Ridge vents allow heat and moisture to leave the attic space, letting the roof breathe. Step 12. We'll angle grind masonry interfaces and install counter flashings. It's important to note that flashings that are not countersunk into masonry-style interfaces can pull away, resulting in a leak, and solely rely on the caulking. Next, we'll seal all applicable areas, flashings, fasteners, etc., shown here. Here's a couple more examples of sealed areas. It's cleanup time. We use high-powered magnets to pick up stray fasteners and job-related debris. Materials are cleaned up and hauled away. Your roof replacement is complete. Here are some examples of completed projects. All of our projects are backed up by our labor warranty and a manufacturer's warranty. We hope this video was helpful, and we thank you for choosing Seipp Roofing. We know you had several options for your project, and we're thrilled you chose our team. Thanks again.